Hello guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Ngayon, isasama namin kayo sa isang relaxing glamping adventure sa isang napakaganda at malaking log cabin malapit sa Gull Lake. Kung gusto ninyo ng nature, fresh air at quality time kasama ang pamilya o mga kaibigan, baka ito na ang susunod ninyong destination. Tara, samahan ninyo kami. Excited na talaga kami habang papunta rito. Ang ganda ng view sa daan, ang daming puno, open fields at sobrang peaceful ng paligid. Habang papalapit kami sa cabin, mas lalo kaming na-excite dahil kitang-kita na ang ganda ng lugar. Pagdating namin, wow! Ang laki ng cabin, napakalinis, ang ganda ng design at talagang perfect para sa family or barkada getaway. May maluwag na living area kung saan pwedeng magkwentuhan at mag-relax. Ang kitchen ay kumpleto rin sa mga gamit kaya pwede kayong magluto ng paborito ninyong pagkain. At ang mga bedrooms ay sobrang cozy at komportable. Talagang makakapagpahinga ka pagkatapos na isang buong araw ng activities. Isa sa pinakanagustuhan namin ay ang tahimik na atmosphere. Ang sarap lang umupo sa labas habang umiinom ng kape at pinapanood ang magandang tanawin. Fresh na fresh ang hangin at talagang nakakawala ng stress. Go! What's that?
Me too.
Bell.
Yeah, Belle.
Bell here.
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa isang cabin malapit sa Gull Lake. At muna tayo. Going to Gull Lake.
Just almost stepped on one of their cell phones. We're cutting.
So, ayan. Malapit sa aming cabin ay walking distance going to Gull Lake.
Let's go.
Let's all walk through the grass.
Oh, there's a nearby playground too. Over there.
There's so much insects. That's the largest house.
Wait. Washroom over there. And then there's a playground. Medyo may kalayuan din yung ano kung mag-boating kayo. At hindi dito ang boating pad pa. Hindi dito ang boating launch. Ano, pwede naman siguro.
Volleyball first.
I-release na dyan. Doon, along doon pala. Doon banda.
On the other side to side. Other side of the net. Other side of the net. Let's leave the guns there for now.
Yan, pwede rin kayo maglaro ng volleyball. Volleyball dito. Okay.
They're playing volleyball with that. They do it high.
No! You get the point. Go to the
Ayan. I think kailangan na namin bumalik sa cabin dahil ayan, oh. Nagbabadya na. Masyado ng dark. Come on, let's go! Mamaya-maya babagsak na yan. Come on guys, let's go! Yan, no? Umabot na sila hanggang dun, no?
It's gonna rain.
Yeah.
Bye.
Nasa na sila dalawa. Ayun, nakapunta na sila
Can I
doon.
go?
Yan. Tingnan natin.
It's so dirty. Oh, are you? I want to touch the water.
Maybe the drug addicts.
Ah,
Wait, no, it's a bit further.
going back.
Too much sand in my pieces.
These guns are useless. Everything here is broken. Don't fool with it. Definitely like quicksand.
Is this quicksand? Wait, I'm gonna wash my butt.
Yeah, I'm sinking.
Excuse me.
Pakita luto. Ay pagkahuli, luto agad eh, no?
Pero sa Manitoba kasi mostly mga pickerel. Yung mga inuhuli doon na masasarap. Kaya pag pumupunta nanay ko doon,
Fine.
Yes! Ayan oh, pwede rin sila dyan mag ano, bonfire!
I'm tired.
Yes! Today is our second day here at
What?
where? Near our Gull Lake
Second day of what?
camping. It's our second day here of glamping. Glamping eh, bongga.
This is fun. Look at the beach.
Oh, mas marami na ang tao ngayon ha.
Hmm.
Oh, ay naku, Tisoy. Come on, let's go here. Where's your papa? He's there. So maganda na yung weather ha.
Let's go to playground.
May kainitan ha.
I want to go to playground.
Yan.
Is it fun?
It's fun. Over there. Let's go over there. Itutur tayo ni Tisoy. Over there, oh.
No playground.
Hmm.
Mama. Oh, Mama. I already went there. Mama, playground.
No.
Mama went there. Playground.
Bridge?
Let's go over there, oh.
Playground community soy.
Hmm. Yan, oh.
Jonah. What?
What's in there? Fitness area. They have fitness area here.
We're not big enough yet, so I'll do one.
I don't know. I'm
Oh,
scared.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'll do it.
Go try it.
What's this?
Yes. I'm on boat. Ah, to
I don't want to do it.
the water.
Woo.
Oh,
Like a
I
donut.
like this.
Yes, it's fun.
Oh, it's fun.
Yes,
I
very fun.
like it. Woo. Oh, see?
Wow.
Exercise. Oh,
Fitness.
yeah, really.
Let's go.
I like this one.
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, just
If
pull
only
up.
we have this at home.
Yeah.
See?
And then just push up, the feet
Let's
push,
try
push
the
up.
other thing.
Yeah, right.
Okay, you try. Ah, just like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Up!
I think Chura's still sleeping. He's not there.
Dang it, we were chilling with
Wow, what
Being
is
chilling.
this? So we are going to the bridge. Are we going to the bridge?
No, I don't think we're supposed to go to the bridge. I just want to reach the dock boat area.
Okay.
Okay.
I see.
Ah, I think this is what they were talking about. The boats. and
Public
stuff.
boat launch. Ah, I think this is the
Yeah.
area for
Look.
that.
You can see the boats from here. Ooh, look at that boat. It looks like a boat.
Mhm. That's it. That's the public boat launch. Use at your own risk. Use at own risk.
Yeah,
So that's it. Are we going to go there or not?
I don't think we're supposed to go there.
Yeah.
Bow wow.
Let's go there first. Attention anglers. Oh, napaka-fine ng sand. Oh, teka, wait. See?
Yeah. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, oh. See?
Rock.
Attention anglers, know your sport fishing regulations. Walleye, northern pike, burbot, lake whitefish, yellow perch. Oh, I see. The northern pike is catch and release. So, yan. Fines up to $100,000. Oh my.
100,000 we have.
Ayan. Ayan yung ano dun, no? Okay, let's go back. Come on, guys. Let's go back. Here. That one is for male. And the other one is for female. Wait. Kaya, so yun.
No.
Pumasok ako saglit sa washroom and then yun, okay naman yung washroom. Although it's not flushable toilet. Wala namang bad smell yung loob niya. So meron lang silang bowl doon and then hand sanitizer and provided na rin ng tissue. Wala nga lang silang water doon. So now we're going back to our cabin. May natanaw naman kami dun sa kabilang side na playground. Uli. Are we going there?
No.
I think this one wants to go there.
Sure, we can go there and find the goat.
Bago kami pumunta sa cabin yan, dito muna kami. Along dito naman nalalakarin namin.
Yes, along dito na.
After dun papunta sa public boat launch, dito naman muna tayo. Ano bang meron dito?
Come on the pathway.
Wetland plants.
Water, rocks, and air.
Are you sure? Ayan, no. Ito yung mga makikita dito, cattails, reeds, and sedge. Wetland plants. Yan. Medyo ma-insekto nga lang.
There's a bee!
Nature na nature, eh, no? Pag nandito ka talagang nature. Rinig na rinig mo yung mga huni ng ibon. Oh, what are you doing, Bien?
We go back home.
What's that? Godwit, sandpiper, killdeer, and coot.
American coot.
Yan. Yan naman ang makikita dito mga animals.
No more.
Got one. More.
May access ba dito papunta? Oh, parang
Hindi.
wala, no?
Wala.
So, pwede ka lang dito umupo-upo, tanaw-tanawin mo yung, yung lake doon.
Walang
Swallows and blackbirds.
swallow.
Swallow, purple martin swallow, red-winged blackbird, yellow-headed blackbird.
Red-winged blackbird and yellow-headed back.
Upo-upo, huwag kang Ganda weather ngayon, ha? Masyadong maraming nga lang insekto. Kung nandito kayo makikita nyo.
You want charge?
Kala mo maliliit pero pag nandito na actual. Geese and swans. Canada goose. Tundra swan. Trumpeter swan.
Trumpeters, trumpetier, trumpeter.
Ito.
Gonna come.
Marami-rami nga lang talagang insekto.
Oh yeah.
Loon, pelican, and grebe. Common loon, American white pelican,
Pelican.
western grebe.
Western grab.
Grebe. What? Grebe. Playground.
Yes. Now I've got him.
We're almost there.
Can I take a picture on this one?
Oh, wait. Ducks. Mallard duck, common golden eye duck, and canvas duck.
Hi,
Can I see?
And this back.
We're almost there, going to playground.
John is still
You're so excited.
I don't think we need to go to playground.
I think this way wants to go to playground, or are we going home?
I think we should go home. Yeah, he's going home.
They're going home?
No,
I
wait.
think
They're
no.
not going home.
Their body, look at their body going to playground because this way insisted to go to playground. See? Almost there. Yeah, Mando,
Mga
see?
game, di ba?
Oh, see, Mando.
Oh.
Let's try one.
Then,
Then,
to hole 17, go there. Ito, anong hole to? 16. Tapos ngayon, next hanapin mo is 17. Tapos maglalakad ka pa ganon.
oh,
May game din siya. So,
oh,
madami,
oh,
mapansin mo
careful,
yung
may
mga
hole.
dinadaanan. Ito sa dito tayo.
Tara, tara.
Mga dinadaanan mo doon, may mga ganyan yun, no? Tingnan mo yung mga brown.
Going to
Ano
the
ginagawa nila doon?
playground.
Natutulog. Parking.
Ay, may deer.
Oh dear.
Yeah, may deer.
Ooh.
Teka,
Oh,
hindi ko nakita ko.
yan, tumatakbo.
No. Matakbo. Oh. Golden dress rosa. Dios rosa.
Isa pa sa mga highlights ng trip namin ay ang mga wildlife na nakita namin. Habang naglalakad at ini-enjoy ang paligid, nakakita kami ng mga usa na malayang gumagala. Ang saya nilang makita ng malapitan habang tahimik lang silang kumakain at naglalakad. Nakakita rin kami ng mga itlog ng ibon. Sinigurado naming hindi namin ito maapakan at tiningnan lang namin sila. Talagang nakaka-relax ang ganitong experience dahil mas na-appreciate mo ang ganda ng kalikasan at ang mga hayop na nakatira rito. Isa ito sa mga moments na siguradong hindi namin makakalimutan. Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang getaway kung walang masarap na pagkain. Nagluto kami ng paborito naming meals, sabay-sabay kaming kumain, nagkwentuhan, nagtawanan at nag-enjoy lang sa bawat sandali. Ito talaga ang isa sa pinakamagandang bahagi ng trip, ang makasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan at gumawa ng mga bagong memories. At syempre, isa sa pinaka-exciting na bahagi ng gabi, ang paggawa ng s'mores. Nag-ihaw kami ng marshmallows hanggang maging golden brown at medyo toasted. Tapos, pinagsama namin ito sa chocolate at graham crackers. Ang sarap talaga. May mga marshmallow na medyo nasunog, may mga perfect ang pagkakaluto. Pero mas masaya dahil sabay-sabay kaming nagtatawanan habang ginagawa ito. Simple lang pero ito ang mga moments na talagang hindi makakalimutan. Mas masarap talaga ang pagkain kapag kasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Yeah, here it's already.
Why would you be perfect? Yeah, yes. Just gotta put it back. Yeah, guys, I put it in a special folder for you.
Wow! Sumobra sa taas naman yun sa'yo. It's not cooked. Oh.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay na. Almost done, right? Go ahead. Do it. Good.
Whoa, wait it.
Wow, nice.
Hey, I wanna taste.
Ah, you wanna say sorry? Careful, it's quite hot. Oh, hot. Careful. Kung papalubog ang araw, mas lalo pang gumanda ang paligid. Sa gabi, sobrang tahimik. Ang sarap mag-relax sa tabi ng apoy, magkwentuhan at mag-enjoy sa malamig na hangin. Minsan hindi mo talaga kailangan ng maraming activities. Sapat na ang magandang lugar at masayang kasama. Overall, sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa glamping experience na ito malapit sa Gull Lake. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lugar para mag-unwind, mag-family bonding o simpleng makalayo muna sa busy na buhay, highly recommended namin ang ganitong cabin getaway. Talagang sulit ang experience at siguradong gusto naming balikan ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video, huwag kalimutang i-like, mag-comment at mag-subscribe sa aming channel. I-click na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod naming adventures. Anong paborito ninyong bahagi ng glamping experience? I-comment ninyo sa baba. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog, ingat kayo and see you next time. Bye!